The world is changing faster than ever, and the decisions you make right now about your future, they matter more than you think. But what if you had a day that gave you total clarity about where you're headed?
The Future Ready Summit is a one-day experience designed for students like you. Keynote talks, expert panels, leadership conversations, and hands-on experiences, all due to help you think bigger, plan smarter, and pursue opportunities beyond borders. This isn't just about choosing a career, it's about who you're becoming.
Join us on June 12th from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Christian Life Assembly for a day that could change the direction of your life. Register by June 1st at www.kurumbuka.org/summit. Your future is waiting.
And we can't wait to see you there.